In this video, I'm going to show you how to file add a 1099 in TurboTax in 2025. So first what you want to do is of course sign in to your TurboTax account, and then from there you want to click Tax Home over here on the left hand side. After you're in here, you want to make sure you first put in all your personal info. So you want to click on personal info and then continue over here. And then after you fill in everything that's asked, what you have to do is then go to the second step, which is wages and income. And here's where you can actually add your 1099. So click on wages and income and then click let's get started. Now, after you click this, you'll see this pop up, which says, let's talk about your income next. You want to click add my income. And then you simply want to answer these three questions over here. So it says, do you have a foreign account or Form 1099 OID? So if you do, you want to click yes. If you don't, you want to click no, of course. So basically just fill it according to you. And then over here, this question, just fill it like it is for your situation, and over here as well. After you do this and answer these three questions truthfully, click continue. And then from here, you will have an option to actually add a 1099. So you may already have a 1099 in here. So depending on which one you need, you may have it already. As you can see over here, there's a bunch of these stated. However, if you don't need any of these over here or this OID one, what you can do is click add more income. And then from here, you can search for 1099 and it will show you all the different forms basically where there's 1099 included. So we have the G, the NEEC, or the NAC, the K, the B, and the different ones over here. And when you find the one you actually want to file, what you have to do is just click over here where it says it, and then you want to start that form. So for example, let's say it's going to be interest on 1099 INT. You simply want to click start. And from there, you basically just want to follow this process over here. You want to answer everything it asks you for. And after that, you've successfully filed it and added it. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.